NodeLinx is an industrial Internet of Things solution from CAD-IT. This 5-minute video demonstrates 3 NodeLinx equipment performance monitoring use cases, showcasing the value of introducing EPM into a factory setting. Let's get started. Alex is a production manager at a metal forging factory in Liverpool. At the start of his working day, he logs into NodeLinx. He's greeted with the Plant Overview dashboard. Here is where he will compare the performance of each plant within his factory, using the OEE KPI. He can identify the plant that is currently below target due to low production performance, which prompts him to dive deeper into the analysis. Alex quickly identifies the equipment with low performance within the cell. He then notifies the relevant person within his team who will investigate the issue further. Within this instance, it's James. James investigates the issue by looking through the history of the operator feedback from that day. He notices that comments have been added that relate to a material quality issue. James discusses this issue with his team, and an action is quickly put in place to replace the material. Nice work, James. Next, let's talk about Jennifer. Jennifer is the production planner and uses the NodeLinx production performance dashboard to compare the performance of each of the production lines within the factory. Here, she can monitor in real time the production status, equipment performance, quality issues, production trends, as well as quality trends. She uses the production tracker to create her next production plan. Selecting a location, equipment name, entering a work order number, followed by an operation number. She enters the target quantity. Along with the planned duration. And from these inputs, the ideal cycle time can be calculated. Once the equipment is ready, the operator can simply click Start for the selected production line to begin work on the new batch. It's as easy as that. And finally, meet John. John is a maintenance engineer in a metal forging factory in Singapore. This afternoon, he received an alert of a fault reported on a critical machine. He logs into NodeLinx to check the alarm reported on this machine. With the historical alarm data collected in NodeLinx for all the machines, he is able to investigate the alarm report to identify current and reoccurring faults. After analyzing the downtime trends and alarm report, he discovers that the current fault closely resembles an alarm that occurred previously on a similar machine. He is able to quickly find the root cause. And because this issue is a recurring one, John is able to head to the machine for the required fix. Thanks to the historical data, the machine is successfully repaired and back in production within an hour, before it affects the overall OEE for the plant. The production team are now able to use the machine, and the overall availability has increased following the fix. What a success! We would love to help you to identify your own factory's use cases for equipment performance monitoring. Speak to a member of the CAD-IT team today to get started.